Right, I see what we're going to get out of her and see what the revs are in each gear with this new sprocket and on the back. 40 teeth instead of 42 teeth. So those are the RPM. Just go up this bypass and see what the crack is showing. At 7,250 RPM. We're doing 60 at 5,400 RPM. So yeah, it's dropped it down. I ragged it up the hill there. 82 before I changed to 6 gear. And it's going up an hill, so it sure ain't going to give me much more in 6 gear. There was no point really. Miles an hour at 6,500 RPM, so we lost, dropped another 500. Which is good. Go to 65, it's 6,000 RPM. 60 at 5,500 RPM, that's good. So, my marper gang will be better. Drop down to 5th and see how she builds up. 8,000, 9,000, 82, 83. She's got that pull, she's got that extra 5 miles an hour in 5th gear to get you going again if you want to get going, which is brilliant. That's all with a 42 sprocket. You'll have to change the chain to a new chain if you decide to go. That sprocket is off the Zontes Phantom 250 sprocket, standard sprocket, which is 42, which fits the 310 which we've got on here. So if you wanted to do that, you could quite easily. Normally the chain is 520, 114 links. But when I got my brand new chain, when I put that sprocket on, and I had to take one link out, which is basically taking 1.5 links out, because the chain was too long, because the actual sprocket is smaller in size, in diameter. But that's brilliant. I mean, look, doing 60 miles an hour, 5,500 RPM. So you would be, if you have a look there, 62 at 5,500, and the bike's nice and gentle there. Oh, I had it in economy mode, I should have put it in sports mode. Where's the sport? Ooh, in sports mode. Fifth gear. Car coming, give it a rag. In fifth. So yeah, that was in sports mode. But again, if you give it full throttle anyway, she'll change it over to sports mode when you're in eco mode. So I'll put it back to eco mode. Oh, some bales of hay don't fall off. Imagine one of them falling off and coming in the road. Right, thank you all for your subscribing. It's absolutely amazing. Please like the videos if you see them. Just like it, because it's all to do with the analytics. So just like the video if you watch it. Please watch video as much as you can to the end. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That'd be brilliant. So thank you very much. All the best to all of you, and have a lovely Christmas. Because I'm going to do a ride video now till after Christmas. So yeah, thumbs up, brilliant, ace machine, good fun, brilliant, thank you very much. Tatty bye now.